What is the current state of tech layoffs in 2026? June update. What is the current state of tech layoffs in 2026? The pace of job cuts in tech is staggering, impacting nearly 1,000 workers every single day. If you work in tech or are job hunting, you need to know what's happening right now. As of June 2026, there have been 363 mass layoffs at tech companies, affecting about 149,935 employees. That breaks down to an average of 974 people losing their jobs every day this year. This data comes from trackers aggregating verified news reports, SEC filings, and company announcements, giving a comprehensive and real-time picture of the layoffs across the sector. Compared to 2025's 783 layoffs and 245,953 impacted workers, the trend remains alarming, but shows a slightly slower pace so far this year. The layoff data you see is not guesswork. Platforms like TrueUPIO and Ratelys track layoffs continuously by pulling from verified news sources, public WARN filings, which companies must submit to warn about mass layoffs, and SEC disclosures. This ensures the numbers reflect real workforce reductions across tech and adjacent sectors like finance and retail. Community reports from verified employees also feed into these trackers for a more complete picture. While tech layoffs grab headlines, the broader impact spans multiple industries. Ratelys reports layoffs in finance, banking, consulting, retail, healthcare, manufacturing, and media in 2026. This shows a wide-reaching economic slowdown and restructuring beyond just startups and big tech firms. For workers, this means that job instability may not be limited to one sector. If you work in tech or are planning to enter the industry, these layoffs underline the importance of staying updated on job market trends. Use reliable trackers like TrueUp and Ratelys to monitor openings and layoffs in real time. Consider upskilling or diversifying your skill set to stay competitive. The job market remains volatile, and being proactive could make a difference in your career trajectory. The rapid pace of layoffs in tech means you need to stay alert and informed. Whether you're employed or job hunting, tracking these changes can help you plan your next move. Subscribe and stay with Daily Q&A for the latest updates and expert guidance on navigating this challenging job market.